In this video, we're going to show you to install the taillights on your Dodge Ram, located right on the tail section of your bed. You use a T15 Torx bit on this screw here, and there's one right up on the top here. You're going to loosen and remove these. At this point here, you can go ahead and slowly start to work the tail light out of the body, like so. On the back side, we're going to press down on this little retainer clip and remove the harness from the tail light. I'm going to use some spray solvent here. I'm going to wipe down the inside, right on the inside of the body here. Want to clean that, and the reason for that is that when we install our tail light, we have a little controller here for the LEDs that we need to stick, or you can screw it on. There's two mounting tabs here for screws, but it does come with a sticky back unit here. It's fantastic if you're wearing gloves. Boom. Peel that off. Now we install this tail light. We have the two studs here and here. They're going to fit into the body. This connector here will plug into the factory harness, and this here we're simply going to stick right here. So it's out of the way, out of the weather. And pull up our connector here. Press that in. Install the two studs here. The tail light installed. I'm going to go ahead and install our two screws. And we'll just snug those down. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.